Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to Bro Team Games. So this is a very special episode of Bro Team Games. One, Isaac isn't here, and two, because this is my very first unboxing video without Isaac. So today, we're unboxing this. I recently had a need to buy a tech item, and this was the perfect opportunity to do our very first unboxing episode. And I did get this from Amazon. I love shopping on Amazon because it's quick, easy, and I don't have to go anywhere. So let's see what this is. I know, but you don't. It's another box. Don't you love that? So, I thought there'd be more packaging, but I believe this was a refurbished model that I got from Amazon. It was pretty cheap. It was around $40, but I recently had a need to buy a new keyboard. There are a lot of different keyboards, and they have wildly different price ranges. I've seen keyboards from $20, and I've seen keyboards for $200. And I think it's erroneous to pay any more than $100 or anywhere near $100 for a keyboard. But there are different applications for keyboards, and different people like different things. So this one that I got is, oh yeah, thank you for choosing certified refurbished on Amazon. Let's see, we got some cables in here. Looks like micro USB, dongle, and dongle extension. Which it's cool that Logitech, this is a Logitech keyboard by the way, it's cool that Logitech gives you these. You can thread it to the back of your desktop and have the dongle facing forward so that you get more range on your devices, whether it be a mouse or a keyboard. But this, and there we go. Oh, yeah, this is a pretty nice one. Got a few little scuffs because it's refurbished, but not bad. So this is the Logitech K800 keyboard. It's a wireless, obviously, but there are a few different reasons why I chose this keyboard. One, because it was refurbished, so it was pretty cheap. And for my setup, I need something that's wireless. There are wires to my camera and things, but I'm not moving around my room. A wired keyboard like the one I have been using gets annoying. I'm always tripping over it. It's always in my way, and it's always just good to have something wireless. And the wireless keyboards nowadays are really good. They're quick, responsive, and I can sit anywhere in my room and use this. And not that it's a big room. You pretty much are looking at the whole of it. But lost my train of thought. Anyway, so people buy different keyboards for different reasons, whether it's for the tactile feel of the buttons, and these have a pretty good feel to them. There's like a small indent on the keys of these. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a small indent which kind of curves to your finger, which feels really nice. One feature that I really like about keyboards is I want a keyboard with a full number pad. if it doesn't have a number pad, it drives me insane. I used to do, for work that I do now, I do some data entry type of stuff, and it's so much quicker on a number pad. I also used to do like architecture, and there's hotkeys with the number pad and things that got really good at. And keyboards that don't have a number pad is really annoying to peck at the top bar of numbers. Literally makes me want to pull my hair out. Another thing I really like is a full set of arrow keys, like these. Some keyboards, especially small compact Bluetooth ones, or even the dongle type, have a scrunched up version of the arrow keys, and that also drives me insane. Full buttons, or don't even bother. Just don't. There's no reason. So let's see. I'm gonna pop this on and see how it responds. Really? Screwdriver? It has feet, but I like this height. You can increase the height if you want. Is it rechargeable? Oh no, that's not bad. It's not bad down here either, though. I gotta find a screwdriver. Hold on.
Oh, I see.
Huh. So the battery comes with rechargeable batteries. That's interesting. Okay. So yeah, has basically AA rechargeable batteries. Says to use nickel metal halide batteries. So I guess I have to charge this up. I guess I'll be right back. Okay, so apparently it takes about 5 hours for this to charge. But it does say it has good battery life. It'll last you over a couple of weeks, which is kind of weird for a keyboard, but it is what it is. There are a lot of hotkey functions that are really nice. This is also backlit. One of the things I like about it is that it is a backlit keyboard. I like to work kind of in the dark with a lot of the lights off. Just personal preference. I get a lot of migraines, so light bothers me. All the typical hotkeys I like. This Logitech one has a sturdy build. There's not a lot of movement on it. It's pretty heavy, hefty. I like it so far. And I also have the complimentary mouse, which I got a while ago, but I really like the stuff that Logitech makes. I like the mouse that I have. This keyboard seems pretty cool. Once I get to test it out, it'll probably be even better. My dad also has the Logitech Harmony remote, universal remote thing, that he uses with Alexa to control TV, things like that. So Logitech makes good it's actually the camera I use is a Logitech. But yeah, so I highly recommend for a keyboard that's not terribly expensive. There are like gaming keyboards that are $100 or more, and they're probably faster, more responsive. They're also probably wired, or the ergonomics is different. People like different things. This one's perfect for me. The key features that I like: it's got a full number pad. It's got all the hotkeys that I would prefer. It's got a full arrow key, and it's backlit, and it's sturdy. And wireless. Wireless is really important. Can't be tripping over all those wires. Let me know in the comments down below what keyboard you use, what you prefer. If you like this video, leave a like. Or if you want to see a video about the rest of my setup here, leave a like. If it gets enough, I'll do that video. Thank you everybody for watching my very first unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.